We're going to explain how to fix the import error, cannot import name ugettextlazy from django.utils.translation error. This problem usually pops up when working with Django projects, especially older ones. It boils down to a change in how Django handles translations. The ugettextlazy function, used for lazy translation, has been reorganized. Here's how you can solve it, step by step. 1. Check your Django version. The ugettextlazy function was present in older Django versions, but has been removed or moved in newer releases. First, find out which Django version your project uses. You can usually see this in your requirements TXT file, if you're using one, or in your project's virtual environment. If you're using a very old version, upgrading to a more recent, supported version is usually the best solution. Django's official documentation provides detailed upgrading instructions. 2. Import from the correct location for newer Django versions. If your Django version is relatively recent, Django 3.0 and above, the ugettextlazy function, note the underscore, is now found in django.utils.translation. You'll need to update your import statements to reflect this change. Instead of from django.utils.translation import ugettextlazy, use from django.utils.translation import gettextlazy in your code. Make sure you replace all instances of ugettextlazy with gettextlazy. 3. Check for typos. Double-check the spelling of your imports. Python is case-sensitive, so a simple typo in ugettextlazy or gettextlazy will cause an import error. Carefully review your code and make sure all your import statements are exactly correct. 4. Reinstall Django, if other methods fail. If you've checked your Django version, updated your imports, and still face the error, try reinstalling Django. This can help resolve any inconsistencies in your project's dependencies. Use pip to uninstall and then reinstall. Pip uninstall Django, and then pip install Django. Remember to activate your virtual environment before running these commands. 5. Clear your project cache, if applicable. Sometimes cached files can cause conflicts. If you've made changes to your project settings, it's a good idea to clear any relevant caches. The specific commands depend on your Django setup, but commonly you might need to run python manage.py collect static and python manage.py clean. 6. Review your code for other potential issues. The import error might be a symptom of a deeper problem. Ensure all other dependencies are installed correctly. If you recently made substantial changes, consider using version control like git to potentially revert to an earlier functioning state. This allows you to narrow down where the error might originate. By carefully following these steps, you should be able to resolve the import error, cannot import name ugettextlazy from django.utils.translation error, and get your Django project running smoothly again. Remember to save your changes and restart your server after making any corrections to your code or project settings.